morning. Actually, it's not even good morning, good afternoon. So I've woken up. I woke up early. I edited a video. I had a video to edit, and then after I showered. I did my skincare routine because my skin is kind of breaking up, but I want to prepare something. I also have I have to unbox with you. I'm excited. It's been long since I wanted a pressure cooker. I had it got spoiled. So yeah, and they are expensive. So we're going to unbox. We're also going to fridge restock and do other things. So stay with me, okay? I know I don't have enough on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning. We are going to cook, but before we have to unbox. Guess what we have? A pressure cooker. So I had a pressure cooker. I have a pressure cooker actually, but it got spoiled. I don't know why. I don't know what happened, but yeah, we decided to save up some money and bought another pressure cooker. This is exciting because I've been watching this. Okay, turn it and you see how it is. So this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Guys, it does all these. Let me by the way, before we even unbox it can prepare soup, chicken, beans, meat. This is for setting it, and then rice, fish, porridge, cakes. It can bake. It can bake. So it's really nice. It's multi-purpose, but thank you God, because I've been missing it, guys. I've not eaten beans. I think I've not been eating beans because of this. I've not prepared beans or peas in like 6 months because I cannot waste my gas. Gas is so expensive, but I'm buying this. So let's unbox and see what we have. First, we have a manual book. I know how to use these. I've used them so much, like so many times, so I don't need that. But of course, if it is your first time, you need to check the manual. It's big. How many liters of these? Guys, it's really big. Look here. They say this is an electric pressure cooker. It can, like, it does 14 cooking functions, like 14 in one. Like, guys, this is something worth it to invest in. Now, a reminder, this is not the first time I'm seeing this. We have them at home, and I know they are good. I know they are good, really, really good. And it is 6.5 liters, but it looks nice. It looks nice. Oh, it is 1,200 actually. What? So guys, it has one, but it is okay. We are good. it's not any different from the ones that I have for the rice cooker and the pressure cooker that I have. So yeah, inside it comes with this cup. You can use it to measure your water depending on what you're going to prepare. It comes with this. Now I have, I think, 3 of these, but this looks nice actually. Look at that. It has these details. I think it's nice. It also comes with this. We all know what we use this for. With the, actually it's supposed to be somewhere. It comes with this. If you have a pressure cooker, you know what the use of this. And then the cable. Now fortunately I have 3. Now I have 3 cables, so I'm not worried just in case it gets spoiled. And this is how it looks like inside. Nothing special, but I love the colors, guys. I love the colors. So this is how it looks like. It is big. I don't know, it is really big. I feel like it's bigger than the other one, but it's 7 liters. So oh, you cannot remove these. The previous one you can remove actually the lid.